Most people reheat their food in plastic. Tupperware, takeout tubs, those microwave-safe bowls that always warp in weird ways. Bad news. Studies show that when you microwave plastic, it leaches harmful chemicals like BPA, phthalates, PFAS, and microplastics straight into your food. And yes, even the so-called microwave-safe plastics can release thousands of microplastic particles into your meal, especially if you're microwaving oily or acidic foods. So not only are you losing nutrients, but you're gaining a nice little bonus topping of hormone-disrupting chemicals.